What, I don't know, promising applications of AI are you seeing so far? Are most people using it very much, or is it just kind of like, yeah, you could do all these cool things, just like everyone has a smartphone in their pocket, but most people don't do much with it?
Yeah, I think you get a little bit of both. I mean, you get all the tech nerds that obviously love it, myself included. You can use it for coding and things of that nature, writing emails. But it's, to me, the way I say it's basically like when Google came out, maybe not everybody used Google, but now everybody uses Google. And similar, like maybe not everyone uses ChatGPT like interface now, but give it like a year or two and then everybody's going to be on it, just because you get the answers that you want much faster in a much more nuanced and robust way. And then I think in terms of applications, today there's so many beautiful applications, from MidJourney, which makes text to images, which is beautiful, Pika Labs, which is text to video, which is really interesting. So I think there's a lot of different applications, and Andrea Karpathy, who is big in that community, has a good explanation for like the large language models, which are kind of the foundation for the Gen AI, in terms of like, they're like an operating system, where an operating system is one level of abstraction higher than machine language and the binary ones and zeros that make a computer work. And these LLMs are one level of abstraction higher than the operating system and the other traditional coding languages like Python and C. And so what you're going to see is a lot more people who are going to be able to interact with computers on a much more intimate level and be able to build things that we can't even conceive of today.
Do you see a lot of people using ChatGPT for interesting things, or is it still like early days?
I think that like definitely seen some interesting applications. The one that's nice is called Perplexity.ai, and they basically combine Google and ChatGPT. So I've used that to replace my search engine. So it gives you the sites that you want, but it gives you the answer that you need, and then some images, just kind of like Google does. But I think it's such that it's the infancy stages that I think a lot of the applications that are going to come out, the best ones aren't out yet. I'll put it like that.
Yeah, any promising ones that you're hoping will come out or that you're working on that you could talk about?
I think the AI meditation will be nice. I don't think it's going to be like revolutionary, game changing, but I think it'll solve a nice little niche and help people out in their market. But I'm trying to think, I think it'll be really interesting once it becomes fully multimodal, in the sense that text, image, video, speech, all of that gets kind of solved and is integrated directly into the hardware. So like you got Siri right now, and Siri is obviously not the best. A lot of jokes being made around that, but it's still like a technological, beautiful thing of technology. So imagine just having like a Siri that's just good, like really, really, really good. I think that's kind of like where the future is headed. And then obviously you bake that into robotics, have someone that can a robot that can do all the things around the house that you want, build a smart house. And I think the options there are endless.
Okay. Well, very good. Samal, where can people find out more and keep tabs? Like, I guess they should read the book first, but to go further from there with your ideas, where can they go to follow you and everything?
Yeah. So if you go to my website, www.theideaspace.io, you can actually download the first chapter of the book for free if you're interested in checking it out, and then get all my contact information on there. So yeah, theideaspace.io is the best place to reach me.